Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting the source to a flat preset and turning off enhancements. This gives a neutral baseline. Once done, play a familiar track at your normal listening volume and sit where you usually listen. Make a quick sweep. Reduce extreme bass and treble by 3/6 dB to avoid masking. Use 1/3 octave bands if available. Otherwise, use bass/mid/treble. This first pass reveals which frequencies dominate, so you can target adjustments next. Now you focus on the mid-range and tonal balance. Start by locating harshness. Sweep a narrow boost while listening to vocals and guitars, then cut that frequency by 2/4 dB to tame it. Once done, add a gentle wide boost around 80 to 120 Hz for warmth, and remove muddiness with a slight cut around 200 to 400 Hz. Make small, repeatable adjustments and switch between A and B to confirm each change improves clarity, rather than finish by refining with 0.5 to 1 dB steps and confirm stereo imaging by balancing front and rear levels. Once complete, test at low and loud volumes because bass perception shifts. Make minor adjustments to keep tonal balance across levels. If you hear distortion or clipping, stop boosting. Instead, lower output gain or reduce the problematic bands by a few dB. If things still misbehave, revert to the flat preset and repeat the targeted cuts. This resets problems while preserving what you learned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.